Hi kindergartners, welcome back to science class. We are going to continue our home chef edition of staying at home science. So today we are going to be making a funfetti microwave mug cake. And I want to keep my videos short, so couple things first. Number one, I have realized that I am no Rachel Ray, and my cooking videos are just not as good as hers. So when you're watching them, please laugh at me because they're just not that great. Number two, I wanted to go over the science behind what we're doing today. So when you bake a cake, it is a chemical change. That means it cannot be undone or reversed. Just like last week, we can't unpop popcorn, you can't unbake a cake. When a cake starts out, it's ooey gooey batter, and the heat actually changes the batter forever into something else, which is a cake. So there's two kinds of chemical reactions when we're talking about heat. One is called an endothermic reaction, and one is called an exothermic reaction. An endothermic reaction takes in heat to whatever's happening and does something. An exothermic reaction, when something happens, it releases heat. So this is an endothermic reaction. We're taking in heat from the oven and changing the ooey gooey batter into a cake. Some things happen with our ingredients. Some of the ingredients in our mug cake today are going to actually cause the chemical change. The baking powder, when it's exposed to heat and liquid, forms tiny little gas bubbles and makes the cake become light and fluffy. The egg in the mug cake, the protein in it is going to actually hold all the other ingredients together into one thing, which is the cake. And if you're using oil when you're baking, it will help keep the cake or whatever you're baking moist. In this case, we are using an egg. There's a lot of egg in it, so it will also help keep our cake moist. I really hope you enjoy the funfetti cake. I can't wait to see your pictures. And this won't make your house very hot because the microwave is quick and it doesn't produce a lot of heat. So I hope you enjoy and have a great week.